Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the terminal and confirming your shell so you know which syntax you'll use. Run echo $shell to check if you're on bash or ZSH. That matters for config files. Once done, refresh package metadata with sudo apt update or sudo dnf check update, depending on your distro, so installs work reliably. Make sure to use tab to autocomplete commands and file names. It saves time and prevents typos. These first steps set a reliable baseline for everything that follows. Now you learn to navigate and manipulate files. These actions are the core of productive terminal work. Use pwd to confirm location, lslef for detailed listings, and cd to change directories, cd. Moves up. Create empty files with touch, copy with cp, rename or move with mv, and remove with rm, but be careful. rm is permanent unless you use a recycle tool. For reading files quickly, use cat for small files, less for paging, head and tail for previews. Once comfortable, combine commands with pipes. Finally, manage processes and permissions to complete tasks reliably. Inspect running processes with psaux or interactive top. Stop broken jobs with kill PID or pkill name. Check file permissions with LSL and change executability via chmod u+x script, and adjust ownership with chown user. Group file so services run correctly. If something fails, use sudo for privilege escalation. Tail logs in /var/log to see errors, and reverse destructive commands slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.